10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Ignition.
Plus 5 seconds.
You have just launched a majestic liftoff of PSLV C-49 carrying EOS-01 with 9 co-passenger satellites, and the Range Operations Director has confirmed the liftoff and that the performance of PS-1 is normal.
जी हाँ, अभी आपने देखा प्रमोचन यान का लिफ्ट ऑफ बहुत ही सामान्य तरीके से बढ़ता हुआ और ये गर्जना करता हुआ आकाश में।
That is PS-1. Its total thrust is 4,800 kilonewtons. It uses solid propellant, HTPB based solid propellant, and alongside there are 2 strap-on boosters.
लोकित पथ पर
And the
Strap-on separated.
अभी रेंज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्टर का घोषणा है यहाँ कि
Stage performance
स्ट्रैप ऑन
normal.
सेपरेट हो चुका है।
P2 change over to SABT2.
seconds, and then it will be separated from the ongoing vehicle.
Stage separated. Second stage engine started.
अभी
Now you
Close
have
scope guidance initiated.
Plus 2 minutes.
आरओडी का अभी घोषणा हुई है और उन्होंने बताया फर्स्ट स्टेज सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ यान से पृथक हो चुका है और दूसरे चरण का प्रज्वलन हो चुका है।
Second stage performance normal.
now that the first stage action time is complete, it has been separated from the ongoing vehicle, and we have seen the confirmation from the Range Operations Director of PS2. The payload fairing has been separated, and as you have already heard, the closed loop guidance has been initiated.
Second stage performance normal.
अभी आरओडी ने फिर से घोषणा की है कि ऊष्मा कवच का पृथकीकरण हो चुका है। अब हो चुका है
from 1.6 kilometers per second to 4.3 kilometers per second. Here you can see the time versus relative velocity plot.
रहे हैं PS2 का सामान्य निष्पादन। PS2 का प्रज्वलन सामान्य होता हुआ प्रमोचन यान
Performance normal.
About 4 minutes after the launch, and the PSLV stage 2 is performing, and its performance is observed to be normal.
Stage ignited.
आरओडी ने अभी घोषणा की PS2 का सफलतापूर्वक पृथकीकरण और PS3 का इग्निशन हो चुका है।
Stage performance normal.
You have just heard the Range Operations Director giving a confirmation that the PS2 stage has been separated, the PS3 stage has been ignited, and its performance is normal.
PS3 का
Third
क्रियाकाल
stage performance normal.
PS3 का क्रियाकाल करीब 123 सेकंड का होगा। इस तरह यह अपना पूर्ण ज्वलन काल T+385 सेकंड्स पर पूर्ण करेगा। इसके बाद यह बंद होकर PS3, PS4 और सैटेलाइट एक यूनिट बनकर आगे की यात्रा करेंगे। इसे हम कोस्टिंग फेज कहते हैं।
PS3 will burn for 123 seconds. It imparts 295 seconds of specific impulse. This stage is based on HTPB based propellant in Kevlar motor case. The motor will provide thrust of 33.5 tons to the ongoing launch vehicle. Now we are 5 minutes 55 seconds after the launch time. The PS3 will burn till 6 minutes 25 seconds.
325 किलोमीटर के करीब है।
Third stage action completed.
it is confirmed that the
weekly coasting base,
PS3 operation is now completed. The PS3 will not burn anymore but will continue to coast along with the PS4 and the passenger satellites. It will be jettisoned in another 145 seconds.
जी हाँ, PS3 का कोस्टिंग फेज शुरू हो चुका है। यह करीब 145 सेकंड तक का होगा, जिसमें कि पूर्व प्राप्त प्रमोचन यान अपनी ऊंचाई प्राप्त करेगा।
During the coasting phase, this is initial velocity, relative velocity plots, the tracking of the ongoing launch vehicle is carried out through telemetry, tracking and command network, a host of ground stations in the flight path of the Mlair and Yettaraga in Australia.
vehicle performance
All
is normal.
stations ensure sufficient time overlap so that there will not be any miss in looking to the telemetry data.
हमारे मिशंस टेलीमेट्री के द्वारा यान की सभी पैरामीटर्स प्राप्त करवाते रहते हैं। इसमें 5 टेलीमेट्री स्टेशंस इस बार भाग ले रहे हैं। इन सभी टेलीमेट्री स्टेशंस में पर्याप्त ओवरलैप रहता है।
We are eagerly waiting for the separation of PS3.
Stage separated,
Yeah, now the confirmation has come that the PS3 has been separated and PS4 is due to ignite in another about 10
four
seconds.
engine started,
The PS4 ignition also has been confirmed. The PS4 is powered by
fourth
two
stage
pump-fed
performance
engines
normal,
burning monomethyl hydrazine as fuel and mixed oxides of nitrogen as oxidizer. 316 seconds of burn duration of PS4 developed the required orbital conditions for the payloads and injects the primary satellites, followed by the co-pilot.
PS4 सामान्य निष्पादन करता हुआ और
fourth stage
हमारे उपग्रहों
performance
को
normal,
उस
Versatility and adaptability. Let me enumerate a few noteworthy PSLV missions. In the PSLV C-44 mission, the immediate predecessor in a similar launch vehicle configuration, that is PSLV-D, the last stage of the rocket as platform to perform experiments in space. The record for largest number of satellites ever launched by a rocket is achieved by PSLV C-37 mission. It had launched 104 satellites. The PS4 restart was experimentally demonstrated in C-29
fourth stage
mission
performance normal,
and functionally executed in the C-34 mission.
1 minute.
Interplanetary missions, the Mangalyaan or the Mars Orbiter mission in 2013 and the Chandrayaan-01 in 2008, and you can see on your screen Shri P. Kunyikrishnan, Director, UR Rao Satellite Center.
PS4 अपने सामान्य निष्पादन की T+919.2 सेकंड्स पर होगी। अभी हम 786 सेकंड्स दूर आ चुके हैं प्रमोचन से। सापेक्षिक गति 7.02 की पहुंच चुकी है।
fourth stage performance normal,
There is a confirmation from the Range Operations Director that the PS4 operation is normal. Has been the trusted vehicle for the launch of Indian Regional Navigation Satellite Constellation, NAVIC. So far, 50 PSLV missions are complete and this is the 51st mission. 37 from the first launch pad and 13 from the second launch pad at Satish Dhawan Space Center, Shar, Sriharikota. The present launch is the 51st mission of PSLV and the 38th from the first launch pad. It is 13 minutes 51 seconds after the launch and we are waiting for the PSLV stage 4 burn completion.
Plus 14 minutes.
आप ये ग्राफ देखते हुए अब हम बहुत ही करीब हैं अपने सैटेलाइट सेपरेशन से।
Stage engine shut off.
PS4 को बंद कर दिया गया है। यह सब ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर की मदद से किया जाता है। अब उपभू दूरी 575 किलोमीटर की
Satellite
प्राप्त कर ली
injection
गई है।
conditions are achieved.
अभी अभी आरओडी ने अनाउंस किया कि कक्षा के अनुकूल स्थितियां प्राप्त की गई हैं और अब किसी भी समय उपग्रह PS4 से पृथक होकर अपनी कक्षा में अंतःक्षेपित होगा।
On your screens, you are able to watch the flight parameters along with the ground trace. The next flight event is the primary satellite separation.
QoS-01 satellite separated.
Now the jubilant moment on your screens.
अभी आप ऑनबोर्ड कंप्यूटर की मदद से ऑनबोर्ड कैमरा की मदद से देख पा रहे हैं कि EOS-1 का पृथकीकरण सफलतापूर्वक कर लिया गया है।
The EOS-1, the primary satellite of PSLV C-49 mission, has been injected into the orbit, its intended orbit, and the visuals you are getting from the onboard cameras live.
जी हाँ, यह पल सभी वैज्ञानिकों के लिए काफी उत्साहवर्धक।
I'm not initiating and redundant. We are initiating here.
That was the separation of the first satellite and 9 more customer satellites in line
From redundant to redundant.
for the separation, and PS4 still in an orbit reorienting itself for the further injection events.
Not to NAV. Our local, we don't have any connection to NAV right now. So our local.
आप ये घटनाक्रम देख पा रहे हैं EOS-1 सेपरेशन। अब आरओडी ने अनाउंस कर दिया है R2 उपग्रह
Also, I think you
अंतःक्षेपित हो चुका है, अपने निर्धारित कक्षा पर अंतःक्षेपित हो चुका है।
ASM-1A satellite separated.
The R2 satellite and the Kleos 1A satellite have been separated. R2 is a technology demonstrator satellite from Lithuania, as we have told you earlier. The next flight event is the KSM-1B separation, which is going to take place any time now. These are the visuals from the onboard camera of the launch vehicle. Mission Control Center, all the scientists are waiting eagerly for the next satellite separation.
ASM-1B satellite separated.
ESM-1B सैटेलाइट का सफलतापूर्वक अंतःक्षेपण किया गया।
Now, the second KSM satellite, that is the KSM-1B, has also been separated at its intended time into the intended orbit. The KSM satellites, 4 of them are taking a ride in this particular mission. They are from Luxembourg and these are meant for maritime applications.
अभी आप अपनी स्क्रीन पर पृथ्वी का विहंगम दृश्य करीब 578 किलोमीटर की ऊंचाई से देखते हुए यान से पृथक कर अपनी कक्षा में अंतःक्षेपित कर दिया गया है। चारों KSM सैटेलाइट्स अपनी कक्षा पर अंतःक्षेपित।
More 2 satellites separate.
आरओडी का अभी अनाउंसमेंट, लेमोर 1 और लेमोर 2 अमेरिका के सैटेलाइट्स सफलतापूर्वक अंतःक्षेपित कर दिए गए हैं।
Three satellites separated.
जी हां, अब लेमोर 3 भी अपने निर्धारित कक्षा पर अंतःक्षेपित।
The Lemur satellites are from Spire Global Inc., USA, whose purpose is multi-mission remote sensing. Now we wait eagerly for the last satellite separation of this mission, that is the Lemur 4, which can
Lemur
happen.
4 satellites separated.
Now
All
here
10
we have the
satellites are separated.
now we have
Mission
here a
completed.
successful
Handing over
mission
to
with
mission
all the
director.
10 satellites separated and injected into the world,
PSLV Fortinet has
into their intended orbit.
01 and all 9 customer satellites into the desired orbits. PSLV C Fortinet EOS 01 mission is fully accomplished.
मिशन की सफलतापूर्ण पर सबको शुभकामनाएं देते हुए चेयरमैन ISRO
Chairman ISRO congratulating all the center directors and senior ISRO scientists in the mission control centers. It's a jubilant environment here.
सभी